When applying fungicides, pesticides, or disinfectants to large areas, the best equipment quickly disperses the product while providing even coverage. The Vectorfog C20 ULV cold fogger creates quick and effective applications of the liquid chemical of your choice. As a cold fogger, the Vectorfog uses air pressure, rather than heat, to push the chemical through a specially designed nozzle, producing a fine mist of small droplets that are the ideal size for attacking pathogens and pests. This process is known as ultra-low volume, or ULV technology. ULV technology helps create a consistent coverage of the pesticide, fungicide, or other chemical being used in the fogger. In warehouses, food prep areas, residences, and outdoors, an even equal mist of the chemical being used will help all pests or fungi come in contact with the chemical. The Vectorfog C20 ULV cold fogger can be used to control common insects including mosquitoes, fleas, fungus, gnats, cockroaches, and more. The fogger can also be used to combat fungus and mold. The fogger is compact, lightweight, and does not emit exhaust, which makes it ideal for using in homes and offices in addition to food handling facilities. Use in small spaces like closets and bedrooms, or large spaces like garages or warehouses. The fogger has a 30-foot long cord for better mobility and a strap for easy carrying. The Vectorfog C20 ULV cold fogger has 2 speed output settings, giving you control of the application. The fogger also gives you the option to use a lower power setting to minimize the noise level up to 50% when using in schools, hospitals, and nursing homes. The Vectorfog C20 ULV cold fogger can be used with both oil and water-based chemicals. Not all chemicals that can be used in the fogger are labeled to be used in schools, hospitals, and food handling areas. Be sure to read and follow the instructions on the label of any product used with the fogger for proper application and usage rates. And it's that easy with the expert help from DoMyOwn.com. Subscribe to our channel for more DIY and product videos.